the account that I do have it, let me show you how it works. I'm going to click the three lines, go to your activity, and here time on Instagram is shown by daily averages. So today and for the last 7 days, it's going to show up here. Again, this is the first time I've used it. Today was the first time, so I haven't really checked my activities on here, but this is the page. And here are a couple of things you want to know about this page. Here, you'll see your 7-day daily average. But the cool thing is you could set a daily reminder. So let me click the daily reminder here. And let's say you wanted to limit your daily time on Instagram to be 30 minutes. So you could go ahead and set yourself a reminder. And just like that, it sets a reminder. And in 30 minutes, it's going to let you know that you've spent 30 minutes on Instagram. You could change your notification setting as well. This is basically every notification that you could get on Instagram. But if you scroll down here, the reminders are going to be here where you could turn them on and off. And that's all you need to do about manage your time here on your activity on Instagram. You could press I on top to learn more about it here if you want to get more information. I hope you found this useful and you could manage your time better on Instagram. Please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for daily videos just like this, and I'll see you next time.